In today's depressing video, I will explain to you the 7 main components of a PC. CPU, Central Processing Unit. It's the brains of a PC that actually work, unlike my brain with chemical imbalances that even meds can't fix. This tiny rectangle can do billions of calculations in a second. The CPU, in simple terms, takes orders from you and gives orders to the rest of the PC components. If your PC was a restaurant, the CPU is the chef. The one who cooks. Unlike me, I'm cooked. GPU, Graphical Processing Unit. This guy handles everything you see on the screen. So next time you play my femboy roommate, be grateful that the GPU is what's making the game look so good and suspiciously sexy. In a restaurant, the GPU is the guy who decorates and makes sure the dishes look good. RAM, Random Access Memory. Don't worry about the name, it's weird. A more accurate name would be temporary storage for the CPU and GPU. When you start a program or a game, it stores in the RAM temporarily so that the CPU doesn't have to go all the way to the main storage. Think of it as the small kitchen counter space a chef would use to store ingredients of the dish he's currently working on, whether it's my femboy roommate or anything else. Storage. It's where your embarrassing files are stored. Current videos or games, they're all stored there. Think of it as the fridge that stores food forever until you remove it or until the fridge gives up, like I did. Motherboard. It's the component that connects other components together. It's the place where the rest of them meet up and do their weird numbers rituals. Unlike some mothers, motherboards actually do their job and connect the pieces together like a good mother connects her children. Wait, this sounds weird. Power supply. This guy gives electricity to every component and it knows exactly what type of electricity it should give. Unlike me, because I exhausted too much energy and got burnt out, the power supply knows when to stop. Some of them don't and explode. Case. It's just a fancy piece of metal that gives a button to turn the PC on and off. And that's it. You don't even need to have a case. Some people just put their PC on a piece of wood or hang them on the wall like I will hang my. Subscribe for more tech depressing videos. The only channel where I don't sell you fake smiles. I take your time so I can buy antidepressants and in return teach you everything I know about those things. I hate myself.